how to create a guest user in your Mac. So this is going to be very easy and it applies to all MacBooks, iMac, MacBook Pros, it doesn't matter. Even your MacBook Air and MacBook Neos. So to get started, you want to go to settings. You can find settings on the dock like I have here, or you can go to the Apple logo on the top left and then go to system settings over here. Click on system settings, and in system settings scroll down till you see users and groups. Click on users and groups, and here you can see all the profiles that are already on my computer. Now to add a guest user, you can see guest user is already turned off, but you need to turn it on. Click on the I button next to the guest user and then click on allow guest to log into this computer. After that, you will have to put in the username, ID and password if you're not on an admin account. I'll just do that. And once you do that, click on unlock. Once you have done that, you can see this option has been enabled, and the other option by default which has also been enabled is limit adult websites. So it is great that it is automatically going to do that. Now that is great if you want to give your Mac to your kids or some guest. Now you also have another option which is called allow guest users to connect share folders. Now shared folders will help you transfer files across the users, but in this case I'm going to leave it turned off so that I have maximum privacy. After selecting all the options that you need, you can click on OK. Also, one thing you need to note is the username is not changeable. It is going to be a guest user. Click on OK, and here you can see it is login only. Another thing that you need to know with the guest user is all the data once you log out of that user is going to be deleted. It works with your Find My application, and it will not allow anyone to access your hard drive as long as the file vault is active. So these are a few things that you need to know. Also, you can access this guest user from the login itself. So hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.